Today I will share how to make this egg photo manipulation effect in Canva, and this tutorial is made in response to the recent comment made by Hamidur Rahim. Thank you sir for commenting, and if you want more tutorials like this, you can also comment in this video and I will try to make similar tutorials or some different tutorials regarding your comment. So let's start with it. So first I will show you are recently used because I have already selected the images which I will be using. First I will be using this egg, then I will use this images. So let's start it one by one. So first I will select the image here of the egg, which the name goes is 3D egg. Okay, and next I will click on edit, and here I will scroll down to find duotone, and here I will try custom and make both the highlights and shadows as white color. And after that, go to elements here and select the square shape and just cover the egg and change the color to yellow, and go to layers, send to back. Okay, so as you can see, the image of the egg is prominent here, and after that I will just click on share, click on download, and make sure it is in PNG and download the image. And after that click on add page and re-upload the image. And after that just make it to the same size of the canvas. To check whether the background is getting deleted or not, I will change the background to a different color, and for now I will click on BG remover. So as you can see, the background of the egg is removed, and now we can work on the effect. Okay, and for making this effect I will go to elements again and click on see all and use this image which says mermaid in mythical island. Okay, and I will click on it and place it right here, make it slightly bigger, and right click it, layer, send to back. Okay, and as you can see, the image is aligned properly. Now after that I will select this icon which says transparent liquid blob, and this one I will select and I will rotate it so that the effect looks something like this, and I will make it bigger. And place it right here, and just decrease the transparency a bit so that the image is also proper when using this, and right click it, go to layers, send to backward. Okay, so this one is done. After that I will use this one which says wide glowing curve, and I will place it right here, rotate it according to our requirement, and place it right here, and again click on layer, send to backward. Okay, so this effect here is ready, but as you can see the effects coming with this purple color and with this yellow color, so we don't want that. We want something which we can use for any type of background. So for this, what to do, I will use this element, this square, and bring it here, cover the canvas with this square color and with the same yellow color. Just zoom a bit if you are not able to cover it properly. Duplicate it, paste it in the lower part, duplicate it, rotate it to 90 degrees, and place it in the side. and in both the sides. So now it is covered all in yellow. Okay, now after that, click on this image of this frame and click on edit again. Scroll down to find shadows, click on glow and make sure it is in 45 and blur amount also in 45, and just click outside the canvas. So as you can see, the effect is done here. Now let's make it bigger and cover it. And as you can see, the shadow part is coming here. Okay, so the effect looks real and makes it 3D effect. And now we will go to share, click on download and make sure it is in PNG and download only the current page. Okay, and click on download. Now let's bring the image here. Make sure the upload is done. Let's make the background to white color to show you the background is removed or not. And let's make it to the same canvas size and let's use BG remover. So as you can see, the background is removed and you can change into whatever background you want. I'm showing it for sample use. Okay, so I am keeping it in white background only. And I will just crop the parts which are not required. Okay, and make it slightly upper because I want to make a shadow part here also. So I will duplicate it, and in the duplicate part just rotate it to 180 degrees and place it just beneath the egg part. Okay, like this. And after that, use this shadow part which is degrade esfumado and just place it right here and cover the canvas part and place it right here. And again go to edit, go to duotone, change both the colors to white. Okay, so as you can see, blend effect is coming here, and after that again come to elements and click on see all. Use this shadow which says black gradient shadow. All the things which I have used, the elements or the pictures which I have used, you can all find it in Canva, and you don't need to use any type of third-party website to use these images. All the images are used in Canva, and if you have a Canva Pro account, you can use all the images. Now you will use the shadow part, and I will make it slightly bigger and place it just beneath this layer and just make it to the middle so that the effect looks real and our image is ready. So hope you like this tutorial and make sure you comment down here so that I can understand your feedback. And if you want to see more tutorials, please comment which type of tutorial you want to see, and please subscribe to the channels for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you.